Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a deployment connection for change sets in Salesforce. This is essential when you want to move changes from one Salesforce environment to another, like deploying from a sandbox to production or between different sandboxes. Setting up this connection properly ensures your change sets can flow smoothly between environments. First, you'll need to log into your target org. This is the Salesforce environment where you want to receive change sets. Make sure you're logging into the correct org, as this step is crucial for establishing the right connection pathway. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of your screen and click on the gear icon from the menu that appears. Select Setup. This takes you into the administrative backend of Salesforce, where all your configuration options live. Now in the quick find search box on the left side of the setup page, type in Deployment Settings and select it from the results. This section controls how your org communicates with other Salesforce environments and manages the flow of change sets between them. On the Deployment Settings page, you'll see a list of available connections to other orgs in your Salesforce ecosystem. Look for your source org in this list. This could be your sandbox name or another environment you want to deploy from. Once you've located it, click the Edit button next to that org name. Here's the critical step. You'll see an option labeled Allow Inbound Change Sets. Check this box to enable it. By toggling this on, you're essentially opening the door for change sets to be received from that specific source org. This permission is what creates the deployment connection and allows the two environments to communicate. Finally, click the Save button to confirm your changes and establish the connection. And that's it. You've successfully created a deployment connection for change sets in Salesforce. Your target org is now configured to receive change sets from your source environment, allowing you to move metadata and customizations between orgs efficiently. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.